This video describes the Certified Service Technician program available through Wacker Neuson University. The certification program is a training pathway for service technicians that assigns a specific set of courses to build service skills. Technicians move through the 5 levels in order at their own pace. What's covered in each level? The first 3 levels are free online, self-paced, core competency courses. Every tech, both new and experienced, should complete up to level 3. Level 1 is the foundational level covering hydraulics and electrical fundamentals. Level 2 covers ePartner, an overview of machines, and training on maintenance procedures. Level 3 covers engines, after-treatment diagnostic tools, and powertrain and workgroup systems. It should take around 17 total hours to complete the 10 courses in the first 3 levels. Techs who have completed Level 3 are then eligible to enroll in Level 4 training, which are instructor-led trainings on specific machines and engines. Level 3 must be completed before enrolling in any Level 4 training. There is a fee charge for Level 4 instructor-led training. The course fee will be listed on the enrollment page. One category of Level 4 training is in-person training on a specific machine. In-person trainings are held in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Training is available for the machines shown. Techs can select to complete training only for the machines sold at their dealership. The second category for Level 4 includes certified engine training. Certified engine training is available for Yanmar, Perkins, and Kohler KDI, KDW, and KSD engines. Certified engine training is required by engine manufacturers to run engine diagnostic tools. Engine trainings are offered in an online format, so no travel is required. Level 5, the Master Level certification, will be available in 2027. It is for techs who have completed Level 4 on a machine and want advanced troubleshooting training on a specific machine. What are the benefits to becoming a Wacker Neuson Certified Service Technician? 1. Technicians will gain skills to deliver high-quality service and support for Wacker Neuson machines. 2. A specific set of university courses will be automatically assigned to service technicians enrolled in the program. This will eliminate the need for a tech to search for courses and decide what to take next. 3. Techs who reach Level 4 can perform Wacker Neuson warranty service work and are licensed to run diagnostic tools like Kira, Perkins EST, and Yanmar Smart Assist. Let's review by going over several frequently asked questions. 1. How do I enroll? Every university user with a service technician job role should automatically be enrolled in the CP1 learning path. If it doesn't show on your homepage, email Wacker Neuson University. 2. Is certification required? We highly recommend it for all service technicians, but it isn't required. The exception is that contracted Wacker Neuson dealers will be expected to have certified technicians in their service department. 3. What if I already completed core service training in Wacker Neuson University? Points, badges, and certificates already earned will remain in your university account. You will earn new points and badges by completing the new learning paths. 4. Should I get certification even if I have experience? Yes. All service tech users should work towards certification because you must complete Level 3 to register for any instructor-led Level 4 training, and techs must be certified to complete warranty repairs. 5. How much does certification cost? Levels 1, 2, and 3 are free to techs from Wacker Neuson dealers. A course fee is only charged for Levels 4 and 5. 6. Are the 5 levels identical for every tech? The first 3 levels are the same for every tech. But starting at Level 4, the tech can choose to enroll in training for a specific machine or engine. Technicians will only be expected to complete training on the machines used at their dealership. 7. Do certifications expire? Yes. Certifications expire every 3 years. Refresher training will be needed after 36 months to remain certified. 8. Who do I contact with questions? If you want more information or if you want to enroll, but the courses don't appear on your My Training panel, email wn.university@wackerneuson.com.